asked, now, if I don't get it exactly correct, the question was asked that if you change from Gangsta Disciples to growth and development, what about your membership? And he stated, that doesn't matter. As long as I have a committed 10%, that doesn't matter. But just to say this, I could have 100 people. But if that 100 people is not committed, what do you really have, man? Sister, what do you really have?
I'm nothing.
You don't have nothing.
Yeah.
I love y'all, man. The chairman love y'all. The chairman envisioned a better life for our people out here. He sat down and planned to get it done. The problem is we just not following his plan, man. What is our problem? Y'all got it done, man. Y'all got it done, man. And the first time that I came into the fold, my mind was blown, I was overwhelmed, and I usually don't speak much, I'm quiet. Over here.
You right there.
I'm gonna tell you what the chairman told the young brothers that and we just grew. We had a 40-note squad, we were bad. He told the young brothers, young brothers going over, they need to get off the court, playing soft, play ball. And he come in that court strong, slamming off the backboard. I had a nice jump shot. But one thing I can say is this. When I did like this, and cocked it back and say red our lock, it's over with. For us to come from where we come from, and for y'all to be here, right now, today, you know what that tells me? And I'm certainly gonna let him know that all the misery he went through, all the pain, suffering that we went through, gee, was not in vain. And that's why I love y'all, man.
Love you too, G.
And that's for life.
Niggas remain silent. All my gangsters get the violent. From the streets of the Queen to Bell Island. Homies smiling down now from heaven. How the fuck get a magazine profile my section? Niggas acting like they like the pins on these trifling ends. Trifling bitches and trifling friends. My life can end early. I wonder who heard all the whispers niggas whisper when they plot on the curb. I was 16, playing grown, plotting on birds. Sat in dope spots and slum rocks, cheaping on herbs. I heard these niggas tell nowadays. I got old school ways, like Chucky McGee, Sipe and Yank. My mind state reflect my generation, except my generation